Hello there and welcome back to Error Genie. In this tutorial video, I will guide you on how to change your auto payment method on your Netflix account. To get started, open your web browser and go to netflix.com. Once there, sign into your account using your correct email address and password. After logging in, look for the three horizontal lines on the upper left-hand side of your screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. You will then be directed to a page that shows information regarding your Netflix account. Scroll downwards, and you will see information regarding your payment. Here, you can find options such as Manage Payment Info, Add Backup Payment Method, Billing Details, and Change Billing Day. To change your auto payment day, simply click on Change Billing Date. You will see that your auto payment is currently set to a specific day each month. However, you can change it to a more convenient day for you. Simply select your preferred day, and then tap on Review and Confirm. That's it! Now you no longer have to worry about paying on a specific day set by Netflix. You can also add another payment method by going to Manage Payment Info. From there, you can choose to add a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal. I hope this tutorial video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your auto payment method on your Netflix account. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Error Genie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around next time.